there was this gopher, and I almost got him. And I was digging. See, I was digging and got away. Can you show me where the gopher was? So we've located the gopher hole. Are you going to get him, Dominique? Yes, you're doing a wonderful job. You're doing a fabulous job. Yes. Yes. I'd say you're doing a great job. Yes, you're almost there. Another 10 feet, you'll get that sucker. Is that your gopher hole? You gonna get that gopher? Show me. Go get him. Now you're gonna get a bath. Get the gopher. Get the gopher, Dominique. Get the gopher. I shall attempt to give Dominique a bath. I shall attempt to wash all the dirt out of her hair. I don't know if it's possible or not. But still, sweetheart. Look at that dirty. Whoa, look at that. Oh, you're a dirty girl. Ooh. Okay, now we're all cleaned up. I'm sure we're going to go out and play in the mud again. Huh? Look at me. Look at me. Oh, what a good girl. So beautiful. So beautiful. You going to go play in the mud? You betcha.